English conversation.
Hey, kiddos, dinner time is approaching. What would you like me to cook for you tonight?
Can we have spaghetti and meatballs, please? It's my favorite.
Sure thing, spaghetti and meatballs it is. And how about you, sweetie? What would you like for dinner?
Can we have pizza instead? I really want some cheesy goodness tonight.
Pizza sounds like a fun idea. Okay, we'll have both spaghetti and meatballs and some delicious pizza. But let's make it a healthier pizza with lots of veggies, alright?
Yay! Thank you, Mom.
Thanks, Mom. You're the best.
You're both welcome, my darlings. Now, while I'm preparing dinner, why don't you tell me about your day? Anything exciting happen at school?
Well, I aced my math test today. I'm so happy.
That's amazing. I'm proud of you, sweetie. Keep up the good work.
And guess what, Mom? I won the drawing competition. Look at this certificate.
Wow, congratulations. Your artwork is fantastic, my little artist. I'm super proud of both of you.
Mom, can we help you in the kitchen? I want to learn how to make spaghetti and meatballs.
Of course, I'd love to teach you. Let's start by washing our hands, and then you can help me with the meatball rolling.
Can I make my mini pizza? I promise I won't make it too messy.
Haha! That sounds like fun. Let's set up a little pizza station for you with your favorite toppings.
This is going to be the best dinner ever.
Absolutely. The best dinner made with lots of love and teamwork. Alright, let's get started, my little chefs.
They all head to the kitchen and have a delightful time preparing dinner together.
Look at us go. Teamwork makes cooking so much fun, doesn't it?
Definitely. I never knew making meatballs could be this exciting.
And my mini pizza looks awesome. I can't wait to taste it.
Great job, kiddos. Now, while the spaghetti is boiling and the meatballs are cooking, let's prepare some healthy veggies to go on your pizza.
I want mushrooms and bell peppers on mine.
Can I have extra olives, Mom?
Of course, mushrooms, bell peppers, and extra olives coming right up.
Mom, you're the best cook ever.
Thank you, sweetheart. It's all the love that makes the food taste delicious.
And we love you, Mom.
I love you both too, more than anything in the world.
Dinner is going to be fantastic.
It surely is, and you know what makes it even better? We get to enjoy it together as a family.
Yeah, family dinners are the best.
I couldn't agree more. It's not just about the food, it's about the quality time we spend together, sharing stories and laughter.
Can we have family dinner every night?
Absolutely. Family dinners are important, and I promise we'll try to have them as often as we can.
Yay!
Alright, dinner is ready. Let's set the table, and then we can all dig in.
They set the table and gather round, sharing a delicious meal filled with laughter and joy.
How does it taste, my little chefs?
Amazing. I love the spaghetti and meatballs.
My pizza is the best I've ever had.
I'm so glad you both enjoy it. Now, who's up for some dessert?
Ooh, what do you have in mind?
Surprise! I made some chocolate chip cookies for dessert.
Wow, you're the best mom ever.
You guys are making me blush. I just want you both to be happy and healthy.
They enjoy the cookies as a perfect end to a wonderful dinner.
Thank you for cooking for us, Mom.
Yeah, thank you. We love you.
You're welcome, my loves. I love you both more than words can express.
They share a group hug, cherishing the special bond they have as a family.
Now, let's clean up together, and then we can spend some more time together before bedtime.
Sounds like a plan.
The best plan ever.
They clean up, play some board games, and have a fun-filled evening together before tucking into bed, feeling grateful for the love and warmth of their family.